Hi guys, welcome back to Delish Fit Life. My name is Tia. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed yet to Delish Fit Life, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every single Friday. So before I get into this week's recipes, let me first shout out Misunderstood Loners, where I got this super cool t-shirt. You guys be sure to check them out in the comments below. I'm gonna link their website so you can check out the site and learn all about the cool story behind the brand and get more exciting designs just like this one. So, you know guys, it's all about Friday night, vegan Friday night that is. So at my house, I like to have something satisfying but something quick that I can get on the table, because sometimes, you know, you just don't even feel like going after dinner. You just kind of want to chill out, watch some movies, just cuddle in bed, put on the pajamas, but of course eating something nice for dinner. So this week is all about vegan Friday night. I'm going to show you how to make some amazing dishes. This week I'm going to show you how to make a cheeseburger salad. That's right, cheeseburger salad with lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions, everything that makes a wonderful cheeseburger. But I'm also going to show you how to make a roasted garlic ranch dressing, 100% vegan, and I promise you it's going to taste better than any ranch dressing you've ever had. The next recipe is for quesadilla burgers. Now this quesadilla burger is going to be slathered with a chipotle ranch, and I promise guys you're going to love this one as well. And the final recipe is going to be for some vegan tacos that have corn ceviche and pickled onions. I went out last Friday with the girls and they had a vegan taco on the menu. We had already went to one place downstairs before we went to the rooftop, so I'd already have like a salad and some fries, so I wasn't ready to eat anything else, but I saw these vegan tacos on the menu and I was like, this sounds so tasty, but you know what? I'm gonna do it even better. I will go home and create the recipe myself, and I promise you guys you're gonna love this one too. So if you'd like to see how I've made these 3 recipes and the delicious sauces and dressings to go along with them, just keep watching. Well, if you like cheeseburgers, you would definitely love this salad. Like I said, lettuce, pickles, onions, tomatoes, and cheese, and it's amazing. Okay, so first I'm starting with some vegan crumbles here. Use any kind you like. Just kicking it up a notch with some onions and a little bit of salt just to kind of make sure the flavor is going. I cook these according to package directions, so no big deal here. That's just out of the way. Just go ahead and do that first. And I went ahead and roasted some garlic in the oven. Just popped a bud in the aluminum foil and put it in the oven for like maybe 25 minutes at 400 degrees. That stuff is magic, and it's one of the secret ingredients to this garlic ranch dressing. So here I have some vegan mayo and a couple other ingredients, some almond milk, some vinegar, and some other herbs and spices. Mainly there's some parsley and fresh dill. So the roasted garlic just really gives this ranch dressing a buttery flavor, and like I said, I really want you guys to try this. I was completely amazed when I came up with this recipe. Just adding the combination of spices just really pulled it together, and this is a delicious ranch dressing. And to build this salad is super quick. That's why, once again, these are perfect for Friday night, because you want to eat something yummy and tasty, but not anything that's going to keep you in the kitchen too long. So get the vegan crumbles ready, make the dressing, top the salad off, top with the pickles, and put this lovely luscious dressing on here, and dinner is served. Like, I don't know anyone who wouldn't just be totally satisfied by this lovely, colorful, texture filled dish right here. And again guys, look at how creamy this dressing is. It's just, you know, not too thick, not too thin, but definitely full of flavor. And the dill in the dressing and the dill with the pickles just marry perfectly together, making this salad a super party in your mouth. Totally yummy. So next up, we're going to get started with these quesadilla burgers. And the star of the show here are mushrooms and king oyster mushrooms to be exact. So first, we're going to start by making some pico de gallo and setting that aside. I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to do this, so I'm not even going to bother with the recipe on the website. But basically, it's just how much ever tomatoes, red onions, cilantro you want, and a little bit of lime juice and salt, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead and get the mushrooms started for this recipe. And this one is super simple. Again, I just started with the water saute. I'm going in with the mushrooms and a couple of seasonings here. The recipes are available at Delish Fit Life, so definitely go and check them out. I'm going to bring these to a quick simmer. There's no need to overcook these because you still want to have a nice meaty bite. But that's it for that. So we're going to go ahead and get the quesadilla going. Put some vegan cheese on there of your choice and start building this burger with the mushrooms, the pico de gallo, a little bit of lettuce, and the chipotle ranch I made just by using a can of chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. They have a bunch of sauce in there. Just put a couple of spoonfuls of the sauce in with the ranch, and that's it. So one thing is, don't make this mistake that I made right here, guys. Actually, go ahead and fold it in half before you put it in the pan so you can bake it on one side and then heat it up on the other side, and it will be perfect. Luckily, I like mine a little bit crispy, so this particular one was a little toasted, but it was super yummy nonetheless. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy eating this one. And once again, it's super quick and just easy to get on the plate. So these sunny tacos, like I said, I went out last Friday night, and when I saw this recipe on this item on the menu, I was like, I can make this. So these hot pickled onions are absolutely delicious. Just went in with some apple cider vinegar, some water, some sugar, some salt, and some Thai chilies. Go ahead and get that dissolved. Add the onions and the brine. You don't even have to heat this up. Basically, it's just about making sure the items are dissolved, and that's it. Set that aside and they'll last for a few weeks. So with this sweet corn ceviche, there's no need to cook the corn. I took it right off of the ear of the corn. I quartered some cherry tomatoes, some lime juice, cilantro. Once again, we have this roasted garlic, guys. If you see it, it's over to the side there. I've got a little bit of taco seasoning, some salt, and some sugar, and that is it for this sweet corn ceviche. It's so savory and so delicious, and the perfect crunchy. I mean, it's just a myriad of flavors going on in this bowl. You're definitely going to like this, especially on these tacos. And you can probably figure out any other thing you want to put it on the side of your plate. It's absolutely delicious. So we're going to go ahead and get the king oyster mushrooms again ready for this dish. As you can probably tell already, I love king oyster mushrooms. They are so meaty and so healthy for you. So I add them to dishes as often as I possibly can. So bring the water to a simmer. Go ahead and get these sliced up and into the pan. Once again, you're going to go ahead and get these nice and tender. These take probably maybe 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes to get done. I'm going to add an extra layer of flavor with this taco seasoning. Recipe is on the website at delishfitlife.com. So go ahead and get these all married in with the mushrooms, and you have your meaty mushroom base ready for your tacos. So building these tacos are super simple. You're going to go ahead and just start by toasting up some corn tortillas. Get them nice and brown and warm. And then basically you'll be ready to go ahead and get your toppings on. And the good thing I like about these again is, this is about super fast food. This is Friday night, so these tortillas are going to be done in no time, and so is everything else. And all you have to do is just pop them on the plate. Go ahead and get the fillings going. I'm going in with the taco seasoned mushrooms. Next, I'm going to add a layer of the corn ceviche. The hardest thing about these tacos is just, not eating them before you can get them all on the plate, I promise you. So the corn ceviche goes on, and the last bit are these hot pickled onions. Listen, you know what? When I saw them on the menu, oh, I forgot the avocado. I'm so excited about these onions, but when I saw them on the menu, I was just like, Wow. Okay, I've never had pickled onions on a taco, and that just, that was such a great idea. So I find inspiration all kinds of places for recipes, and I'm so glad I fell in love with the idea to make these tacos with these pickled onions. So look how pretty they look on the plate, but they won't be there for too long. I once again had to just go ahead and take a bite on camera, and these tacos are absolutely delicious. I hope you guys give all of these recipes a try. All right, guys, so that's it. There you have it. We have 3 wonderful recipes that are perfect for the weekend, and especially for me, I like to do these things on vegan Friday night. So the first one was a cheeseburger salad, then we had the quesadilla burger, and finally the vegan tacos. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I want to know what you think about the recipes you try, and anything else you want to say to me, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.